Hi there, just a quick extra video for you today about making your own heeled feet for Smart Doll. I have to thank my friend Barb from Enchantarium, who's the one who pointed this out to me. I don't have any heeled feet for my own Smarties, and I said to Barb, I wonder if there's a way to 3D print some. She told me that someone's already done it in one of the doll groups on Facebook. This is the group she mentioned, which I'm not affiliated with in any way. I just joined up and started reading posts. Right at the top, in a pinned post, are links to a 3D print bundle of feet and hands over on the Cult's webpage, and also a file for some shoes. One of the members of the group is credited in further posts for creating an adapter piece that can connect the heeled feet from Cults with the older leg frame of the Smart Doll. As far as I know so far, there's not a DIY version of heeled feet for the Evolve frame. Another user in the group shared the file directly. The adapter piece seemed to be the correct size already, but the heeled feet needed to be scaled up so that the square connectors match up. We knew that the peg could be a weak point if printed incorrectly, so my husband split the adapter and printed it in 2 halves. The peg will be the strongest in this orientation. We don't want it snapping off inside the frame. He kindly printed the feet and 2 pegs for me, and I glued the pegs together with superglue. Our feet could be printed a tiny touch bigger next time, as I needed a little bit of blue tack to hold them in securely. I don't want to superglue them together, not just yet anyway. Here I'm carefully inserting the rod to the frame. If yours isn't going in smoothly, just sandpaper down your peg a little so you don't have to force it. We were just using up some older filament to test these, which is why the colour doesn't match. But I can't tell you how happy I am that they worked. We'll certainly be making more for my other Gen 2 framed girls. Things to note are that they're not articulated, but I don't think it's a problem, since you'll need a stand to get the doll to balance standing anyway. You can print them in resin to get a smoother finish, although I'm not sure how strong the connector peg will be in resin. I haven't any shoes to fit them in just yet, though I will try to get the free shoes from the Facebook group printed to try. Also, I won't be sharing these files because I purchased them from the creator, so please support her directly by buying the file. It's very reasonably priced. I popped on a pair of skin-toned tights to hide the colour mismatch for now, and put some elf ears on my beautiful Dauntless, who's sporting a new Adica silicone bust and wearing her beer girl dress. I just love how elegant the heeled feet are. What do you think of them? I wish the Smart Doll originals weren't so rare, but I'm happy to have found a DIY version. Please let me know what you think of these DIY heeled feet in a comment below. Please consider voting for me as one of your favourite Smart Doll creators if you enjoy my Smart Doll content. You'll find all the links in the description box below, and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!